Hi everyone! Today I'm doing another alcohol ink flower using Pinata white alcohol ink with a rocket air pump. I'm adding 2 drops of the ink and blowing with the air pump, starting near the edge of my tile. And then continuing all around and working my way inwards till I get to the center of the tile, overlapping as I go. I'm doing a voiceover because I wear a respirator mask when using alcohol inks. It's very important for your protection. I'm using straight alcohol ink right from the bottle. I'm not adding any extra alcohol. I'm just going around bit by bit. Once I reach the center of the flower, then I'll be doing the middle with some acrylic ink markers. The air pump works pretty good for this technique. You just give it a couple of good pumps with your hand, and it's basically all you need. I'm still learning how to use the pump. I haven't mastered the hair dryer yet. I'm struggling. Most of my hair dryers that I have too strong of air blowing, so I need to find something that is a little bit I don't know, has less power blowing, and then I should be fine, hopefully. I need to do a lot of practicing with that technique. I just sped this up a little bit for you because it is taking a little bit to go around till the center. I'm almost at the center now. I'm just doing a few more, and then I'll be doing the center with the acrylic pens. Now I'm going to be doing the middle. I'm using acrylic markers, first with black and then with white, to get the center of the flower. So what I'm doing is I'm just dotting. I'm just adding little dots of black in a circle, and I'm not really sure how big to make the center. So I'm just gonna go work my way out a little bit until I think it looks okay. And then once I get that done, I'll be starting the white part of the middle. Okay, I thought I was finished, but I took another look at the flower, and I keep looking at it and I keep thinking that the center of the flower should be a little bit wider, a little bit bigger. So I'm going to try and make it a little bit bigger, and then I go over it again with white. I'm starting with the black. So I'm just going to go around. Actually, I should show you, try and show you a better angle. Okay, so I'm just working my way around the outside. Till I think I have it big enough. I don't want to make it perfectly round, but just to make it look more natural. It's getting better. I think that is probably, well, it's looking better. Yes, I think it's better. So I'm just going to finish off with the black here. I don't have my proper light on. There, it's a little bit better. Okay, so now that's big enough. I'm going to use my white. Got to shake these up pretty good, and then test them on something to make sure that They're working. So just adding a little bit of white all around just to make it look like there's light on this one side and to make it look more like it's round instead of flat. I think it needed to be bigger. I don't think I showed you the box of these pens that I'm using. This is the box. Fly C acrylic painter markers. Whoops. Okay. Here's the close-up for you. I really like how the outside looks, how it looks all wispy. Looks really cool. Alright then. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye for now.